Today we are making a chocolate mug cake, but in a bowl. It is very small but super duper tasty. Let us introduce ourselves. Myself, Leba, and I'm from 6th grade.
My name is Reva and I am a 4th grader. My name is Sweta and I am from the 4th A.
My name is Lamia and I'm from 6th grade.
So, what are the ingredients for the cake?
The ingredients of this cake is 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, milk, and chocolate chunks.
Sonia, you forgot 2 ingredients, the vanilla essence and the vegetable oil.
Oh yes, and we have half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now shall we get started with
Of
that?
course. So first, we shall add 3 tablespoons of flour.
Should add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
And then now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar.
After that, we need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. After that, we need to mix very well. Wait, you forgot the salt. We need to add a pinch of salt. Now mix it well. We need to mix until the color gets lighter. We need 3 tablespoons of milk. Now we should add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then we should add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
We need to mix well.
As you can see, now we got a nice and smooth texture. Now we need to add the chocolate chunks.
Now Reva, you can mix it thoroughly. Now, let's bake it in the microwave for 1 minute.
Your cake is ready. Please use gloves for safety.
Sprinkle some sugar on top and enjoy your dessert.